Croeso i'r adran Celf. Welcome to the Arts Department. Dyma eich grynodeb o gynnwys y cwrs. Here's an overview of the content of the course.
Sgiliau ymchwilio, dadansoddi, arbrofi, ymarferol, technegol a mynegiannol. Byddwch yn meddwl yn annibynnol wrth ddatblygu, mireinio a chyfathrebu syniadau, bwriadau a'ch canlyniadau personol. Eich brofiad o weithio ac ymrediad eang o gyfryngau, gwybodaeth a phrofiadau o gyd-destynau o'r byd go iawn a chysylltiadau ar diwydiannau creadigol. Investigative, analytical, experimental, practical, technical and expressive skills. Independence of mind in developing, refining and communicating own ideas, own intentions and own personal outcomes. Experience of working with a broad range of media. Knowledge and experience of real-world context and links to the creative industries.
O fewn y pwnc, ceir y cyfle I arbrofi yn y meysydd canlynol. Within the subject, you will have the opportunity to experiment with the following areas. Uned ym mlwyddyn 12 a 2 yn blwyddyn 13. Gwaith cwrs yn unig a wneir yn blwyddyn 12 sydd yn seiliedig ar themâu personol ac mae hwn yn cyfri 40%. Yn blwyddyn 13 ceir 2 uned yn cyfri 60%. Yn yr uned cyntaf, rhaid gwneud ymchwiliad personol a hefyd traethawd hefo elfen ysgrifenedig estynedig am eich pwnc. Yna, yn y trydydd uned, mae hwn yn arholiad allanol lle ceir y papur ym mis Chwefror. Bydd gofyn I chi o fewn y 2 fis wneud ymchwil i'r thema ac eistedd arholiad 15 awr yn ymateb i'r thema. The course is divided into 3 units. 1 unit in Year 12 and the other 2 in Year 13. In Year 12, you have a coursework that counts 40% of the qualification. This project is based on themes which are personal and meaningful to the learner. In Year 13, you have 2 units which count 60%. Unit 2 is a major in-depth critical investigation based on personal subject matter, and there is also an essay written element that must clearly relate to the practical work. Then, Unit 3 is an external set assignment in which you usually receive the paper in February, you choose the question, research into the theme for 2 months, which leads to a 15-hour period exam to produce a response to your chosen question.
Hi, I'm Sophie and I decided to do Art A-Level. Within Art A-Level, the skills that you'll be learning is developing your techniques in different mediums and also your drawing skills. Within Art A-Level, it's the same as GCSEs, however, you're given more work to do with annotating and creating drawings. For instance, the topic that we were given this year was conflict, and I came up with equality for all to go into that topic. And my final piece is of Nina Simone, of a charcoal drawing with her singing in it to symbolise equality. My second topic, which we're in now, is I've been given the opportunity to make a mural for co-op, and here is an example of the history behind the co-op with the Rochdale Society, which I'm hoping will go into the mural.
Efa. Nes i ddewis cael fath o lefel A oherwydd bod o'n diddordeb mawr gynnau a dwi'n teimlo fel bod o'n helpu fi ymlacio pryd yn teimlo'n rwystredig. Nid ond hynny, mae yna gymaint o gyfleoedd allan yna, nid ond yn yr ysgol ond tu allan i'r ysgol. Fy mod ddim yn mynd i'r brifysgol i astudio celf, dwi'n siŵr fyddai dal i fynd at celf pryd fyddai'n teimlo'n rwystredig neu angen cael rhywbeth allan o fy mhen. Mae'n rhoi gymaint o lles i iechyd meddwl rhywun a mae yna gymaint o fanteision i celf.